Hey everybody, Steph the Chef here with you guys. I just literally got out of the shower, so ignore my hair for now. It looks cool though. Anyways, we are here for a live cooking demo. We are making a caramel latte because guys, this is one of my favorites. I love the caramel latte bread. It definitely has a strong coffee taste to it, but I tell you, it is the best. Then my second one is the chocolate banana bread. I was going to hopefully make that for you, but I don't have any, and I had to order some because they're on sale. That's right, we have 15% off pantry until the 18th of December, so guys, check it out. And then we also have a BOGO sale, buy two, get one free for stocking stuffers. This is our anniversary scraper, so super stoked about all of that good. And then it's holiday season. Let me know if you are done shopping. If not, let me know if you need a link, and I would love to get you the perfect stocking stuffer. All right, so we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to enjoy this nice bread for breakfast tomorrow because the kids are home. It's parent-teacher conferences, and it's been an exciting afternoon. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some eggs from the refrigerator. I'm going to put in 2 eggs right in the bowl. This is our mixing bowl or plastic set. I love the plastic set, dishwasher safe. I put them in the microwave to melt butter if needed. They're awesome. Alright, and then a snow day this week. Everything's just so off. Let me know what you guys are feeling this week. If you feel off like I do, or if you are having a fantastic week. Alright, so we're going to do a cup of water. I feel like it's been a very long week. We're going to do half a cup of oil as well. It does call for vegetable oil. I am using canola oil. I don't have any vegetable oil on hand. They're basically the same thing with the minor differences. So we're going to do half a cup of that. And we are doing this in the stone loaf pan. Guys, if you don't have the stone loaf pan, this is going to be the perfect tool that you need this holiday season. Not only does it look great, but it makes your food taste great. And super easy to wash, super fun, and so exciting. Alright, we're going to go ahead and give this a good stir. Get this all mixed up. This is super easy to make, guys. Well, you can make this ahead of time or the morning of and eat it for dessert breakfast, eat it for dessert, snack throughout the day. You can turn it into muffins and all cupcakes and muffins and all sorts of yumminess. We're going to go ahead and give this a good stir.
Mama, me help you now?
Can you grab a cooking spray?
I want to spray it.
Actually, grab the oil
I want
and a brush.
spray.
And brush the oil in here. Here, pour a little oil in here. This is our oil and vinegar dispenser. You can use it for multiple things. Oils, water, salad dressing, vinegar, whatever you would need it for. Just gonna get our stone pan ready for us. Oh my gosh, the caramel itself smells amazing. Oh, do you say caramel or caramel? I would love to hear it. Is that good?
Yep,
Alright, cool.
perfect.
Alright, can you put the brush on the thing? We're gonna go ahead and pour this right into our pan. Can you guys see? Look at that goodness. Now keep in mind when this cooks, it does get a little bit darker of a color, but it smells delicious. You can make a really yummy sweet cream.
I really want to help.
I'm basically done. You can clean out the bowl. A sweet cream frosting if you
eat
want to.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, go ahead. If you want to make it more dessert, you can add crushed candy canes on top of it as well. Hey Sheila, thanks for watching. I'm doing the caramel latte bread. We're going to eat this for breakfast tomorrow, so I'm making it ahead. But all our pantry mixes, seasonings are on sale. We also have a buy one, get one stocking stuffer last minute gift on sale until the 18th. Christmas shipping cutoff is on December 18th. So make sure if you guys need those last minute gifts, you get it in sooner than later. And guys, that's all I have for you. We're going to let this cook in the oven for about 45 minutes. And we're going to let it cook for about 45 minutes in the oven. And we're going to enjoy for breakfast tomorrow. Have a great one, everyone. Thank you for watching. We need to clean up and then we need to go to